Hey, Mike here. I felt I needed to make this video because this could be a dangerous situation. I was going on a trip a few weeks back and I went to check the tire pressure. I went to take the cap off and the whole valve broke off. And I mean, it broke off. The whole valve assembly broke. The tire deflated within 5 seconds. I had to put the spare on and go get my tire fixed. They put a new valve on it. These valves are, they have a sensor inside which sends a signal to the computer telling it, you know, if your tire pressure is low or what your tire pressure is. These cost $60 to replace, just the valve with that sensor in them. It cost me another $30 to have them mounted onto the tire. So if that happens to you, that's going to be about $100 to $110 fix. A couple weeks later, I went and I came to do a tire, check my tires again, and I went to take the cap off here, and the same thing happened. What happens is, these are metal. This car is 10 years old. This van is 10 years old. After 10 years, these corrode. If they're made out of metal, these will corrode and they'll probably break on you. So here 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks later, I went and the same thing happened to this tire. I had to have that tire done for another $110. So the other day, I just went ahead and had them redo all of these. Now they can be replaced with rubber ones, which I have one rubber one and 3 metal ones again, but I'm not planning on having this van for another 10 years. So I doubt if the same thing would happen again, but that is a situation that I don't know if it would ever blow out while you were driving, but it did not take much pressure for me to turn this and for it to break. So just be aware, these metal valves do corrode and they do break and they do not last. I've had the mechanic tell me that that's the deal with those, they do not last. So just be warned about these metal valves. Not good. So I hope that's helpful to someone. I'm sure it will be. It would have been to me, but I would not have known unless it happened. So if you run across this video, just be aware if you have metal valves and your vehicle is older, over 10 years old, that could happen. Alright, thanks for watching.